Up Ecash holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Ecash price update. What's the price changes occur in the Ecash? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about Ecash, guys. As you can see here, guys, on the front of your eyes the price start pumping. So very congratulations to all of you Ecash coin holders, guys. And for this positive jump, please subscribe now our channel for this positive jump. You can see here in the start of video the changes is negative, but right now you can see here changes is positive. So guys, that is a live update of Ecash coin, guys. Please, for this kind of more live updates, subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news. Anyways, now if you talk about the right now price of Ecash, 0.00023009 USD dollar, that is right now price of Ecash in the market. And furthermore, if you talk about the changes update of Ecash, so you can see, guys, that now the price of Ecash start pumping. Let me show you. You can see, guys, just look here in the latest situation, the price start pumping. Look here. Now I believe that for a long time Ecash will continue this pump, because you know what, in a previous time the price very badly dumped. So I think it's time to dump, guys. That is a simple rule of crypto market, that after falls there is a jump. So now Ecash XEC coin is in the pumping mode, guys. So hope you like this pump and hope you're feeling very good about Ecash this pump, guys, because I'm feeling very happy, guys. You can see, guys, trading volume is also going positive 30.08%. That's mean that people are taking huge interest in Ecash, guys. Obviously people have to take huge interest, because Ecash is a profitable coin for all of you guys. Anyways, what you think, what's your opinion about Ecash? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.